Guys, we just want to mention on our drive out to Twillingate, we just passed this gentleman and saw the sign "Walk for Samantha," and we had to go back. And this is very similar to Ryan Martin of Mind Cycle, and we stopped and spoke to Neil, a really nice young man, and we would like him to just explain what he's doing if he can hear above the traffic.
So the Walk for Samantha is a cross-country walk from mile 0 east to mile 0 west. It's going to take me about a year and a half, 2 years, and the main focus is generating conversation to help removing stigma from the mental health epidemic that we're currently going through in this country, but also to raise funds directly for different local mental health services. So here in Newfoundland, right now I'm working with Central Health until I pass through Stephenville, at which point I'll be working with Western. But right now you can go on CanadaHelps.org and you can look up the South Central Health Fund. It's the fundraising arm for Central Health. And if you just Google that, there's a drop-down menu. You pick Walk for Samantha, and you can donate directly to mental health services that go right back into communities like Grand Falls, Gander, and the surrounding area.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much, Neil, and thank you for doing this for Canada as well. We need more people like you.
It's unfortunately something that needs to be done. So,
yeah, okay, that's great. And people can Google to find out what the story is behind this, right? Because it's quite tragic, yeah?
Yeah, so there's a lot of stories up, and if you want to learn more about my journey personally, since I've started in Newfoundland here, you can also look me up on Instagram where I cover the entire project.
Great. Okay, it's an honour to meet you, Stephen. Sorry,
Neil.
So I was
we can edit that part out.
Yeah, it's funny because I said Stephen because Stephen Snow just tried to call us. Yeah. Okay, so take care and good luck. All right, and
thank you.
All the best to you. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Okay.
Take care.
Bye.